Oh, the mom's there. Did I catch her? She's back. Fart. I'm just gonna... I'm trying to see in real life. I saw a little head poking out of it. The mom most definitely was here. And I most definitely am not going... Wait, I just saw a bird fly into the tree. Not the birdhouse, but the tree. Okay. You see the bird there? There's two birds there, maybe? Nope, just one. I just saw a bird fly into the tree. While chirping. There's a little head. There's the mom. That's the mom. Yeah, she just stands like that. When caring for her baby, she doesn't really go in. She just stands like that. Then she flies off. I can't believe it. I caught the mom. And I was just about to go in too. She seriously, absolutely... She's back again. See her?